What's up, guys? Welcome to another featured property brought to you by Amado Romero and my partner Karen Castillo from eXp Realty. Now, this property is located at 2303 Arthur Street in the beautiful city of Hollywood, minutes away from the beaches. This house features 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, a laundry room, and 2 bonus rooms, and a backyard to die for. Let's go take a look. Hey, come on in. All right, guys, drum roll, please. Okay, so this right here is the first bonus room that I mentioned earlier. As you can see, this room has all these beautiful windows throughout the room, so you definitely know there's gonna be a lot of light that comes into this room. You know, this room has so much potential. You can make this into a TV room. You can even make this into a little play area for the kids if you have kids. All right, great, let's keep going. All right, let's go walk into the living room. You're gonna love what these owners did to this house. They actually renovated the house from top to bottom. They have white wood laminate floors throughout the whole entire living room area. Phenomenal, and a beautiful open kitchen and living room space. As you can see here, you have this opening right here, which allows you to kind of see into the bonus room that I talked to you about earlier. Okay, you have all those windows. You have such beautiful landscaping. This house has beautiful landscaping throughout the entire house. The front yard, the backyard, the side of the house. It's amazing. Again, you have this beautiful wall right here where you can put yourself, that's right, a beautiful 80-inch TV. That's definitely what I would do. Let me show you the bedroom. So this first bedroom right here, okay, it's a pretty cool, spacious bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom does have the big window right here. All right, it allows you to look at the beautiful landscaping that this house has to offer. You have a side room right here, and you have your closet right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. Again, this house has 2 full bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, and the owners renovated from top to bottom. Look at this bathroom. So as you can see, this bathroom here, okay, have a brand new window. You have this beautiful rainforest type of shower head. You have the new porcelain tile on the right hand side of the bath in the tub here. You have a beautiful vanity, and you have a beautiful light right there in the top. Let's go take a look at the second bedroom. The second bedroom, again, it actually, you have the side windows right here where you can see the beautiful, again, landscaping, and you have another window right here that kind of lets you view into the backyard. It's phenomenal, right? Both rooms, really nice, beautiful views in both rooms, and again, a lot of light comes in because of those beautiful windows. Now, let's go take a look at my favorite part of the house, and you know, it's the kitchen, right? I love to eat. So what they did here is they actually did a combination of the white wood cabinetry on the top, and you have the chocolate cabinetry on the bottom. Very, very, very modern. This is what they're doing in homes nowadays. And then you have this beautiful window right here. I mean, who doesn't love to wash dishes with a big view like this, right? This is a great window, and lights in a lot of light. You have yourself a little island right here with the lights hanging right above it, so you can sit some, you know, you can set up some little bar stools. You can eat right here. I mean, it's such a beautiful, beautiful open space. The living room, the kitchen, you know, you got the bonus room back there. You got the beautiful big window right there. I mean, this house and this space right here lets in a lot of light. It makes you feel good, you know. This is a good home for a first-time home buyer. It's just a beautiful, beautiful piece of real estate. Now, let's go take a look at the second bonus room that I was talking to you about earlier. This second bonus room, okay, look at this. This house came with 2 bonus rooms. This second bonus room has brand new windows installed throughout the entire room. Okay, now think about it. If you're working from home, everybody pretty much is working from home now, right? You could turn this into your own home office. If you don't want to turn it into a home office and you don't work from home, here's another idea. I won't charge you for it. You can make this into a little dining room area, right? You could put a little dining room table out here, some nice chairs. I mean, it's spacious enough that you could do a home office or a dining room table. Now check out the laundry room. Boom, look at the laundry room. This is one of the magic habits, right? You want clean clothes? Well, there you go. You got the washer and dryer, you got the stackables. You notice here they also have the Titan water heater, so that way you don't have to worry about having those big water heaters in the corner of the laundry room, which gives you space. You have brand new windows throughout this entire room. I mean, come on, what else can you ask for? Now, my favorite part of the house, okay people, is the backyard. I call the backyard the enchanted forest because this backyard has so much to offer. Let's go take a look. Look at this yard, okay? Now, this house is located on a corner lot, and you have, like I mentioned earlier, beautiful landscape in the front, beautiful landscaping here in the back, on the side. I mean, you have this humongous, I like to call tree of life, okay? But this is a mango tree. So you already know when mango season is here, it's gonna be raining mangoes back here in this backyard, okay? And I love mangoes. Who doesn't like mangoes, right? Now this backyard also has a lot to offer. Like I mentioned earlier, you have palm trees, different types of varieties of palm trees. You have beautiful bamboo trees. It's very rare to find bamboo trees in anywhere in South Florida, okay? And typically it takes 3 to 5 years for a bamboo tree to get like 6 feet high. These bamboo trees are about 20 feet high, okay? Now this backyard once again has so much potential. It's you definitely could throw a lot of parties here, and you know, you could even, okay, in the city of Hollywood, what's great about this backyard as well, and the city of Hollywood, is that you can also park your boat back here. You don't have any problems parking your boat. You don't have anybody, you know, giving you any tickets if you want to park your boat back here, and you definitely have the space to park the boat. So once again, this property is located at the beautiful city of Hollywood, 2303 Arthur Street. If you're interested, you need to submit your best offer. You know that this house is not going to be on the market that much longer. It'll probably be on the market for 1 week. So submit your best offer. If you have any questions, please, you can reach out to myself or Carolyn Castillo. All the information is down below. We're looking forward to it. Thank you very much. I hope you had a great tour.